Are your eyes properly protected every time you weld? In this video, we're counting down 7 affordable welding goggles that balance safety, comfort, and value for different needs and budgets. Updated purchase links are available in the description. Starting our countdown at number 7 is the Yes Welder Auto Darkening Welding Goggles, a practical option for anyone who wants more freedom of movement than a traditional helmet can provide. Priced at around $59, this model is especially useful for hobby welders, maintenance work, or jobs in tight spaces where a bulky hood can become frustrating. The 4 arc sensors react quickly when welding begins, while the adjustable shade range makes the goggles suitable for TIG-MIG arc welding, plasma cutting, and grinding. That versatility means you can move between different tasks without constantly changing your protective gear. Another useful touch is the built-in LED light, which helps illuminate darker corners before you strike the arc, making setup and positioning much easier. The True Color viewing area also gives you a more natural look at the workpiece, so it is simpler to follow the weld line and check your progress. Instead of relying on disposable batteries, this model uses Type-C charging, which is more convenient for regular use and easier to recharge alongside your other tools. It also includes a removable face shield for extra coverage against sparks and debris, plus adjustable headgear designed to reduce pressure during longer sessions. It may not offer the complete coverage of a full professional helmet, but its compact design, useful lighting, and broad compatibility make it a smart 7th place choice for welders who value portability and convenience. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Coming in at number 6, the Jackson Safety WS Series Retro Goggles are a refreshingly simple choice for welders who need reliable protection without paying for electronics they may never use. At around $17, they are especially appealing for occasional cutting, brazing, torch work, and light shop tasks where a Shade 5 lens is appropriate. The flip front design is the real convenience here because you can lift the dark filter when checking your work while keeping the clear protective section in place. That saves time and reduces the temptation to remove your eye protection between steps. Their soft, flexible body sits closely around the face, while the lightweight construction makes them comfortable for shorter projects or quick repairs. Indirect vents at the top and bottom help air circulate without leaving your eyes openly exposed, so the lenses are less likely to fog when the workspace gets warm. They can also fit over many prescription glasses, which is useful if you normally struggle to find protective goggles that do not press uncomfortably against your frames. The flame-resistant strap keeps the fit secure, and the impact-rated construction adds confidence around sparks and flying particles. Just remember that these are fixed Shade 5 goggles, not auto-darkening protection for every welding process. Still, their low-cost, uncomplicated design and practical flip-up lens earn them 6th place as a dependable option for basic cutting and workshop use. Taking the 5th spot is the Relax Weeks Welding Goggles, an affordable option at around $20 for anyone who wants broad eye coverage in a lighter, less restrictive design. Their curved wraparound lens gives you a wider field of view than many traditional box-style goggles, which can make it easier to keep track of your workpiece, tools, and surrounding area without constantly turning your head. The flexible frame is shaped to sit close to the face, helping reduce gaps where sparks, dust, or small particles might enter during workshop tasks. An adjustable elastic strap keeps the goggles securely in place and allows different users to fine-tune the fit, whether they are working at a bench or moving around a larger project. Ventilation channels along the top are also a practical detail, as they encourage airflow and may help reduce fogging when the job gets warm. These goggles are best suited to hobbyists, home workshops, cutting, grinding, or occasional metalworking where compact protection and easy storage matter more than advanced electronics. Since they do not appear to use an auto-darkening system, you should always confirm that the fixed lens shade matches the exact process you plan to perform. For users who understand those limits, the comfortable shape, generous visibility, and approachable price make the Relax Weeks goggles a sensible 5th place choice for straightforward workshop protection. At number 4, we have the Pacific PPE Safety Goggles, a budget-friendly option priced at around $18 for people who need clear, full-coverage eye protection during grinding, cutting, sanding, or general workshop jobs. The transparent panoramic lens gives you a wide, unobstructed view, which is useful when precision matters, and you do not want thick frames blocking your peripheral vision. A soft seal follows the shape of the face to help keep out dust, chips and small particles, while the adjustable elastic strap makes it easier to get a stable fit without constant readjustment. The indirect ventilation system is another practical feature because it encourages airflow while still limiting direct exposure to debris, helping reduce fog during longer tasks. These goggles are also roomy enough to fit over many prescription glasses, making them a convenient choice for users who do not want to buy separate protective eyewear with corrective lenses. However, it is important to understand that the clear lens is not designed to protect your eyes from a welding arc by itself. For actual welding, you would need an appropriate certified shaded filter or a dedicated welding helmet. Still, for preparation work, cleanup, grinding between welds, and everyday shop protection, the Pacific PPE goggles offer strong visibility, comfortable coverage, and useful versatility, earning them 4th place as an affordable companion for metalworking projects. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Moving into 3rd place, the Holulo Auto Darkening Welding Goggles are aimed at users who want electronic eye protection without stepping up to the price or bulk of a full welding helmet. At roughly $25, they bring useful automatic dimming to home workshops, repair jobs, and occasional welding projects where mobility matters. The lens reacts when the arc appears and returns to a clearer state once it stops, so you can inspect the workpiece, reposition your hands, and continue without repeatedly lifting the goggles. Its shade range runs from 3 to 11, giving it more flexibility across welding, cutting, and related metalworking tasks than a basic fixed shade model. Holulo also claims a rapid 1/10,000th of a second switching time, along with protection against ultraviolet and infrared radiation, helping reduce exposure during repeated starts. The soft rubber construction is designed to feel more comfortable against the face, while the adjustable strap keeps the goggles stable when you change position or work in confined areas. A flip-up outer lens and clear inner lens make transitions between welding and inspection more convenient, especially during short stop-and-start jobs. Coverage is still more limited than a full helmet, so additional face protection may be sensible around heavy sparks and debris. Even so, the combination of auto-darkening performance, compact dimensions, and a genuinely accessible price makes these Holulo goggles a strong 3rd-place option for budget-conscious hobby welders. Sliding into 2nd place, the Tovia Auto Darkening Welding Glasses are a surprisingly capable option for anyone who wants basic arc protection in the lightest and cheapest format possible. At around $11, they are ideal for hobbyists, occasional repair work, quick-tack welds, and situations where wearing a full helmet feels unnecessarily bulky. The automatic lens darkens as soon as the arc starts, then clears again when you stop, allowing you to line up the next weld without constantly lifting your protection. That simple transition can make short jobs feel faster and less awkward, especially when you're working under a vehicle, inside a frame, or in another cramped area. Their glasses-style design is compact and easy to store in a toolbox, while the sidearms keep them familiar and straightforward to wear. Tovia also includes an adjustable elastic head strap, which is useful when you need a more secure fit or want to stop the glasses from shifting as you move. The solar-assisted power system means there is no charger to remember, making them a convenient grab-and-go choice for occasional use. Naturally, this open design does not provide the face, neck, or side coverage of a proper welding helmet, so extra protection is recommended whenever sparks and hot debris are a concern. Even with that limitation, their automatic darkening, portability, and extremely low price make them an excellent value and a deserving runner-up in this ranking. And taking the #1 spot is the DeWalt Concealer Safety Goggle, a strong choice for anyone who values comfort, durability, and dependable coverage during demanding workshop jobs. At around $18, it feels more refined than many budget alternatives, especially thanks to its soft, dual-injected rubber seal, which sits comfortably against the face while helping keep dust, debris, and flying particles away from your eyes. The wide, curved lens provides excellent peripheral vision, making it easier to monitor your surroundings while grinding, sanding, cutting, or preparing metal before a weld. An anti-fog coating and built-in ventilation channels help maintain a clearer view when the temperature rises, while the adjustable elastic head strap keeps the goggles secure without relying on rigid arms that can become uncomfortable under other protective equipment. The smoke-tinted lens is useful in bright environments and helps reduce glare, making these goggles practical for outdoor projects as well as busy workshops. They're also designed to offer solid impact protection, so they feel better suited to repeated use than many lightweight disposable options. One important point is that these are safety goggles, not dedicated arc welding goggles, so they should not replace a properly rated welding helmet or shaded filter during active welding. However, for grinding, cleanup, cutting preparation, and general metalworking protection, their balance of visibility, comfort, build quality, and price makes the DeWalt concealer the most complete everyday option in this ranking.